Hey everybody, how you doing? KJS Insano here. Today I'm going to break open one of these bee-headed super shells. Check out what they've got for some composition. This is number 3, brocade crown with crackling. I've already got the plastic cap off, so I like to use a little screwdriver with a tiny straight edge. So there's a paper disc. And there is your comp. Let's see what we got. Very nice. 45. Gonna do it. 47. Wow. That's awesome. 47 grams. 47 grams of stars and burst. Let's see what we've got for the lift package on this one. Okay. Looks like about 9 grams.